You have 2 bottles. Fill the one with soap in it with water. This is your slip solution. This allows you to move the PPF and position it into place. Fill the empty bottle 3/4 of the way with water and 1/4 with 70% isopropyl alcohol, IPA. This will be the tack solution, which allows you to tack the film and activate the adhesive. Do not shake this one. 2 tosses back and a swirl to mix. Let's start with the passenger side. First, clean your door kickers. We recommend using our interior cleaner. Spray both of your hands with the slip solution until wet. Spray the install area. Before applying, make sure you have the right piece and orientation. Spray the outside and inside of PPF as you peel. Do your best to not touch the adhesive side, because you could potentially lodge debris to the film. Stick it to the install area and make sure it glides smoothly. If not, spray more slip solution. Align the top right. Make sure it aligns horizontally, and then check that the other areas are aligned. Once aligned, peel the top right section back. Then spray the tack solution underneath. This will flush out the slip solution and promote adhesion. Lay the film back down and squeegee it outwards, getting the slip solution out. Wait a couple of minutes to ensure that the section is tacked properly. Place your hand in the middle of the PPF piece and, using your palm, start stretching it towards the left side to align. You should see most wrinkles disappear as you stretch across. Squeegee the water out to tack it, starting from the middle area. If the squeegee isn't gliding smoothly, spray more slip solution on top of the PPF. Spray tack solution under the wrinkles that are still there and squeegee them out. Use a microfiber to dry out the edges as well. That'll help make sure the slip solution doesn't go back under the PPF. Be patient, as it may take a few passes before the wrinkles and edges lay down completely. Let it dry for at least 24 hours.